In this video, we are going to review device storage. So when you're using your Mylio account, you may at some point get this bright red banner that shows up across the top that tells you that the disk storage is full, or Mylio's allotted storage space is full on a particular device. And when you go to the devices panel, you'll see that device is highlighted here in red. There's a couple different things that we can do to fix this. The first is we can change the device storage settings. So if you click on the device, you'll see a device storage button, select that. And then down here is an auto manage device storage. If this is turned on, turn it off so that it's gray like it is here. And then you can select the minimum free space that you will always have on your device. So the way that Mylio works is it allows you to tell it how much free storage space you should always have available on each particular device. So if you tell it that you always want 10 gigabytes available on your phone, then once Mylio sees your phone has hit the point where it only has 10 gigabytes available left of storage space, Mylio will stop syncing and you'll get this notice. So we can start off by moving this little slider down to a smaller number so that Mylio is allowed to take up more space on our device. And we can hit apply changes and you can see that notification has gone away. You can also clear the cache. So if you select clear cache, it will tell you how many optimized versions and originals versions are downloaded into your Mylio on this particular device, and you can choose to remove those. And that will also clean up some space. Now, by downloaded to that device, I specifically mean when you select a photo and right click and you choose to download originals or download optimized, then that means the image, the optimized or the original version of that image has been downloaded into Mylio on that specific device. When your specific device has a device sync policy that is smaller than that. So you can see here, for example, this computer is set to catalog only, so that's those small thumbnail versions. That's what's stored on my computer. Now, if I was to right click on an image and say download the originals, it would then make it so the original version of this image is now stored on my computer as well. This is a temporary thing though, and you can see in the sync panel there's a squiggly green line both under optimized and original for this device when I'm selecting this image, and that means that those optimized and original versions are temporarily accessible. They're not permanently stored. So when you clear the cache, it gets rid of those temporarily stored versions.